adding something like that, and then we can do a lettuce layer, but I want to do this layer a little bit different.
It's not that bad. Oops, keeps rising up. Oh gosh. Even if I had exhaust fan.